Hey everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Zaini'S kitchen. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we're going to be making Pakistan and Indian dish. They're calling this Masur Dall. If you want in English, is pink lentils. So before we start this video, I would like to thank my all new subscribers for subscribing to my channel. For my old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. You guys are awesome. I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment down below. So let's get started. Okay, first we need 4 cloves of garlic. As you can see, my garlic is really big, so if you're small, you must make it 5 or 6. Okay, so I'm gonna peel it and set aside. Next, we need onion. It's a small piece. As you can see, we don't need so much onion in this recipe. So I'm gonna just slice my onion and set aside. Now I'm going to wash my lentils. It's 1 cup and we have to wash 3 to 4 times to make sure it's nicely clean.
Sun is out here overseas. Dark emotions ever torn so deep, falling down through the clouds. I'm feeling you. Stay away from me. You keep haunting me.
Okay, now that lentils is nice and clean, I'm going to transfer into the pot. Then I'm going to add 6 cups of water. Okay, now that I'm done, I'm going to put my pot for boiling. But before you cover your pot, add ginger and onion that we prepared earlier and some spice. For spice that we're going to be using is just half teaspoon of chili powder, turmeric powder and some salt. Then I'm going to cover my pot and let it boil in low to medium heat for 20 minutes or until your lentils is soft. Okay. While waiting for lentils to get done, we're going to be preparing other garlic. This is the 3 cloves. We have to slice in small pieces like I'm showing here. We're going to use this after lentils is done. Okay, lentils is nice and soft. It's after 20 minutes now. So I'm going to just mix it well and cover. I'm going to set aside for later. Okay, now I'm going to add oil in my pan and then I'm going to wait until it's hot. Once it's hot, I'm going to add my garlic that I chopped. Now I'm going to fry until it's light golden. Before it's completely brown, I'm going to go ahead and add my zira. This is about 1 tablespoon. I'm going to continue frying until it's nicely brown. Okay, now that it's brown already, I'm going to add in my lentils pot. You have to add and cover the pot at the same time, okay? Just leave it for 2 minutes with the lid. After 2 minutes, you can open your pot, then you can finish the rest of garlic that it was left in the pan, okay? So now just mix it well to make sure it's everything combined. Adding green chili is optional. You can skip it if you don't want to. I just want to make my curry look more beautiful. So I'm gonna just slow the flame and cover my pot and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Now it's after 5 minutes. I'm gonna just open my pot and add some fresh coriander for garnish. Then I'm gonna just mix it well. While you're stirring, make sure you also mash the garlic that we boiled along with lentils. That's it for today, guys. We have come to the end of the video. If you did like, don't forget to give your sister a nice thumbs up, share with family and friends, and comment down below and share your ideas. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.